Hello my lovely foodie members, welcome back. I hope everybody is doing perfectly fine. In today's video I share with you how to make simple egg fried rice. If you are looking forward to make simple party egg fried rice for your guests, then trust me, this recipe is definitely for you. All you have to do is to trust the process. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe and be part of this amazing family. Now without wasting much of your time, let's get started. To begin, let's start by cooking our rice. So into a cooking pot, I'll go in with some water. Once that is done, I'll go in with cooking oil. I will cover and allow the water to cook for about 10 minutes. We are back after 10 minutes and the water is boiling very well. So moving forward, I'll go in with my rice and I'll be using this brand of rice. Use any type of rice that you want, okay? So now let's go in with the rice. I've washed this off camera, okay? Once that is done, I'll also go in with some salt to taste. Stir everything together very nicely, and once that is done, we will cover it on low medium heat and allow it to do its own thing until the rice is nice and ready. As always, you also need to be checking it from time to time. Alright, so whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my videos, sharing, and also commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after cooking the rice for some time, this is how it looks like. It's looking all good and perfect for the recipe. Remember, we're making fried rice, so your rice shouldn't be very soft. Kindly note it, it's very important. Alright, so now I'm going to set the rice aside and allow it to cool down a little bit. Mind you, I cooked the rice 4 hours before I started to fry everything. You can also cook your rice overnight and it works perfectly fine, okay? So now in a different pot, I'm going to heat up some cooking oil, and once that is nice and well heated, I'll go in with some chopped sausages. Since we're making egg fried rice, no need for this, but trust me, adding in the sausages also took the fried rice taste to another level. Trust me on this one. So now we're going to fry this on low medium heat until it turns into the perfect golden brown color that we're looking for. As always, you should be frying this on low medium heat to get a perfect result. And at this point, if you haven't still given this video a thumbs up yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Can you give this video a thumbs up and also share this video to your lovely friends and family for them also to see this amazing and delicious fried rice recipe. Trust me, they will all love it. So do share, subscribe to the channel because it is absolutely free. Thank you so much for doing that. And alright, after frying the sausage for about 10 minutes, this is the outcome. It looks super good and crispy. I'll set this aside, and in the same pot I'll go in with some chopped onions. I'll fry on low medium heat until it's a little bit translucent, and once that is done, I'll also go in with eggs. Feel free to use any amount of eggs that you want, okay? I'm using 4 eggs for this recipe. Now, once that is done, I will stir everything together until the eggs becomes nice and very scrambled. Next, we're going to season our eggs with some garlic, ginger, and onion powder, and a little bit of salt to taste. Stir everything together until everything is nice and well incorporated. And since I also love the fresh taste of garlic and ginger in my fried rice, I'll add in a little bit of it, and you can also omit it if you don't love the fresh taste of garlic and ginger in your fried rice recipes, okay? Stir everything together and allow the seasonings to incorporate very well. And once that is done, I'll start to go in with my veggies. I'll be using carrot, green pepper, and scallions. Feel free to use any vegetable of your choice. But since the carrot and the green pepper is a little bit hard, I'll fry it for about 2 minutes before I introduce the scallions. If you're still with me here and you haven't followed me on all social media platforms, what are you waiting for? Can you do follow me on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok, everywhere? In fact, I'm on every social media platform. So do follow me at Cooking with Efia and you'll love my recipes over there as well. Alright, so now after frying the veggies for about 2 minutes, I'll go in with my rice, sausages, and also more vegetables. I mean scallions, green pepper, and carrots. I'll go in with some dark soy sauce and also some oyster sauce. Make sure to adjust your taste. It's very necessary, okay? So next we're going to stir everything together very nicely. Be gentle with the stirring process, okay, because we really want our rice to really come out very nice and perfect. And if you really want your fried rice to really taste really good, the seasoning powder that I will always recommend is chicken seasoning. I'm also learning, so if you have any other seasoning powder that you can recommend for a good fried rice taste, just leave a comment in the comment section down below, and trust me, I'll be glad to read that beautiful comment of yours. And so I added about 1 tablespoon of chicken seasoning. Since I have some oyster sauce in it, I don't want to do too much with the seasoning. And voila, this is how our fried rice looks like. It's looking all good and perfect. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this simple egg Ghanaian fried rice recipe. You can also do this for parties, and trust me, everybody will really love it. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point. And so if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Can you subscribe to my channel and also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you will be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much, and see you in my next upload. Bye.